Good day, folks. Welcome to my year in review video. It's been a great year for tech and a great year for my channel. But before we get started here, I'd just like to say that I hope everybody had a very Merry Christmas. People got to spend time with loved ones, maybe seen people you don't get to see very much throughout the year. I want to wish everybody the best in the year ahead in 2019. Hopefully everybody has a year of health, happiness, and prosperity. I want to thank everybody for the support, the kind words, subscribing. The channel has grown quite a bit in the last year, and I am so extremely thankful. I think last year in my year-end review video, we started at 17,000 subscribers, and now in late November, we hit a big milestone of 50,000 subscribers. And fast forward now to the end of the month, and we're sitting at 56,000 subscribers. So that is just super amazing, and I want to thank each and every one of you for the support and for taking an interest in my channel. So a lot of amazing tech got released this year. So to start off, in early 2018, we got a new drone by DJI, the Mavic Air. We got the Tello drone, a fun little inexpensive drone. That's always fun to fly. And we got an Osmo Mobile too. A nice handheld gimbal for smartphones and a nice price drop. We got the new Feiyutech G6 for GoPros, quite an upgrade from the Feiyutech G5. Of course, we got the new GoPro Hero 7 Black, by far my favorite GoPro to date. An amazing little camera, actually. And of course, we got some lower cost GoPros in the mix as well. Late in the year, we got the new Insta360 One X. Again, by far my favorite 360 camera. This thing is just top notch. If you're looking to get a 360 camera, definitely take a look at the Insta360 One X. And the last major product that I reviewed this year is the Osmo Pocket. Quite a good little camera, and keep an eye out for my full 30-day review in early 2019. And of course, how can we forget the Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom that were released in the summertime. The technology packed in this thing is just amazing, and by far my favorite drone to fly. So yeah, what a great year for technology. And it makes me excited to see what new products are going to be released in 2019 from GoPro, DJI, Insta360. CES 2019 is coming up in January, so I'm sure we're going to see a whole slew of new products. Some things that I do expect to see in 2019 is a refresh of the Mavic Air possibly, maybe a Mavic Air 2, or just like a Pro model. We might see a Spark, a new refreshed Spark, the long-awaited Phantom 5. There's hints of a new DJI controller with a built-in screen for the Mavic 2 Pro series. So yeah, some pretty exciting stuff. And again, I just want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. I look forward to bringing you new reviews, tutorials in 2019, so stick around for all that. If you're going out to celebrate tonight, I want everybody to enjoy their evening, stay safe, and we'll see you in 2019.